fields gently sway. Morning mist on temple stone, fragrant blossoms light the dawn. In this sacred land they've grown. I glimpse your face beside the stream, soft as petals in the sun. Like a flower born of ancient dreams, where history and love are one. Oh, maiden of the countryside, don't be shy when I draw near. If your heart can welcome mine, let the whole wide world just hear. Across the fields of lotus ponds, past the palms in quiet sleep, your name blooms like jasmine white. In the heart of Siem reap jasmine buds at a river's bend, blooming bright where skies ascend. Growing strong on sacred ground, where ancient echoes still resound. Wandering eyes that softly speak, carrying love so pure and deep. Oh, my flowers shining sweet, beauty of Siem reap. Your fragrance fills the evening air, like orchids after summer rain. My heart aches in silent prayer, afraid to lose you to the plain. Why so shy, my golden bloom? Don't turn your gentle smile away. Flower of this timeless land, with you my hopes will stay. Jasmine buds at a river's bend, blooming bright where skies ascend. Growing strong on sacred ground, where ancient echoes still resound. Wandering eyes that softly speak, carrying love so pure and deep. Oh, my flowers shining sweet, beauty of Siem reap. Under the shadow of Angkor Wat, where ancient stories softly sleep, your love blooms like sacred flowers, the beauty of Siem reap.